Okay, I had to switch locations here. Put Lexi to bed. So I'm up in my bedroom now for a little peace and quiet. Anyway, to wrap things up, I put the battery back in there. It doesn't even snap in place. The battery just lays in there, and then the back cover snaps on, and then you hit the power button and it fires back up. Takes you to the home screen here. There's probably more shortcuts than I really know how to do, but so you can put your thumb anywhere on the home screen, and well, if you hold it, it'll change the icons. But you swipe over to the left, and then you have that. The other way you get to it is to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you can press all apps. It's the same thing, just two different ways to get to it. And then if you swipe up from the bottom, it will hide this little toolbar there with the start button and the magnifying glass. And I guess some people like that whole full screen thing. If it's ever disappeared, you can just swipe up from the bottom and it'll show back up. And then swiping down from the top gives you all of these different options up here that we already looked at before. And I think that's about it. Your Outlook Mail button is here, and I've got it synced up with your Yahoo Mail. So that should be working. New settings, camera, messaging. I took my SIM card out, so your phone is saying no SIM now. Edge, of course, is your browser, which should be working on Wi-Fi, or, well, I guess we should go over the Wi-Fi here. Skype, that's your calendar. Maps, weather, flashlight, the store for the apps. Let's look at the maps here. It looks like there's a new version in their store. If it'll let us download it, we will. There it is. And there may be, like this one's having to download a new version. There may be other apps that you use that may have to download a new version when you go to use them. I'm not sure. Okay, says it has updated. So let's try your maps again. See what it does. Yep. Don't care. Okay, alright, and then it's loading, it's found me, and that looks pretty accurate, yep. Right up here in that upper corner of Las Vegas. That's where we are. And let's just see, if I was to plot a route to Old Roadhouse, I'd hit the little arrow thing here. Destination. Manchester, we'll do Manchester. Get directions. Well, that's making it think. Of course, that is a fairly long route. 1,575 miles. You may have done that once or twice already. So I guess if I wanted to go from here to Manchester, I'll just type that in, and then and that looks like it's going to take us on the, yep, that'll take us through Colorado that way. Which is probably not a way I would want to go right now. It's probably covered with snow. But if I did, I just hit the go button.
Here we go.
And here we go.
And then turn left onto Houston Peak Street.
And there's the GPS. That looks like a pretty good application right there. I use GPS all the time here. I think I told you. The place is just so big and everything looks the same. That's actually a pretty nice app because it gives you all the spots there where you're going to turn. I almost feel compelled to play with this and see how accurate it is. But with it being Microsoft, it's probably pretty good. That's neat. Alright, a recenter there. Oops. Yeah, that's cool. It's a good app. Alright, let's back to the start menu. So I guess one last thing. Let's go over settings. And I'm pretty sure you know how to do all this stuff. Actually, because it backed up from your old phone, you shouldn't even have to do this. So you click on network. You see up here, you got the little waves there with the little dot, and then the arrow just popped up there. That's the Wi-Fi. It's connected to my Wi-Fi right now. When you have it in the house, you should get that same Wi-Fi symbol up there. If you don't, you'll have to click on network and wireless. Go to Wi-Fi. And then it should scan and show you all the networks around. And here you can see them all here. Those top two are both my networks here in my house. So yours, whatever your network name is, if it's not connected up here automatically, which I think it's going to be, you'll have to come down here and then tap on it. You can leave that check marked. Connect automatically. Connect. And it's going to ask you for the password. Which mine here. Boom. And then just like that, now I'm connected to a different network. So, okay, I think that is about it. Not sure what I might be missing that we haven't gone over. Calculator. Facebook, I'm sure you'll use that a lot. Maps, messaging, Edge, we went over that. Movies and TV, I'm sure you're probably not going to use it on here. OneDrive, we got your OneDrive set up, and there's a shortcut on your home page. So this is linked into your OneDrive folder, and it's set to, your phone is set to back up all of the pictures on the phone to your OneDrive automatically. So that should be under camera roll here, I believe. So the pictures I've taken on this phone, yep, there they are. The pictures I've taken on this phone are probably showing up in your phone right now as we speak. So these are all the test photos that I took. See, and that's from your house there. This is Lexi and I playing with a whole bunch of toys here. And then her after she pooped and with a brand new diaper on, sent you that one where she was strictly posing. And this was funny about this picture. She looks tired, but this was probably about 1 second in time where she laid down there, posed, I took a quick picture, and then boom, she was off again like a rocket. And then this is a little video here. I think I sent this to you. She was counting. And I'm impressed with the camera on this phone. I think it's really nice, and I think you're going to enjoy it. So, let's see. There we go. One, two, three, and then she skips to like 9 and 10. 2, 3, 9. Love that. 10. Oh, good stuff. Anyway, so that is your new phone. So this, hopefully this video will give you a little time to look over this and see what is different or what is missing on here that I haven't thought of, and ask questions about it. And that's about that. So hope it's good for you. Hope you enjoy it.